So this is our white antenna that we love to install. It works great in the GTA. So over here would be towards Rochester. Batavia would be kind of straight south. Buffalo's over that way, and Toronto would be that way. So we're in East Durham region is where we're installing today, and the antenna, as you're going to see, can pick up a very wide area. This antenna has a very wide pickup, which is why we think it works so great in the GTA. So the antenna is installed at the peak here. We've run the cable down along the flashing here. We've tucked it up into the vinyl siding to try and hide it, make it look neat. We've run it across, strapped it along the gutter, and then we run it down the downspout at the side of the house to where the cable box is. So as you'll see here, we've strapped it down the gutter on the back side, so to make it look as neat as possible. So we've run it down here, again tucked it into the vinyl, made a drip loop, and we've run it into the house where the electrical panel is, so that we can tie into the existing cabling in the home. So here's the connections in the house. We've run our main feed into the electrical panel. The customer has two TVs. One is the main floor, the other is a bedroom TV. So we've connected up a splitter. We have a power injector that we've installed. The antenna actually has an amplifier, so that's the main feed coming in. It connects to the power injector that feeds power up to the amplifier. And that's the setup for in the house. So now we're just going to do a channel scan to see how many channels we get, see what the reception is like. So let's just set it here, auto program, and search. And then we'll wait to see how many channels we get. So this is looking good here. We're up over 30 channels now, close to 40 channels. Still scanning, about halfway through. Oh, then we have 40, 43. '53. Wow, so that's great reception. 54 channels in total that are digital HD, and we have one analog one, which is usually Oshawa. Channel 22 is in analog, so 54 channels. That's amazing.